Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how I customize my bathroom tiles with glitter. So first things first, I got my bag of glitter and poured it into a large mixing bowl like so. I actually used different kinds of glitter, so the one I just poured was from Poundland, the first one was from eBay. I also added a little bit of gold just to change the color a little bit, but you can add your combination of gold or silver however you wish. Then I use a scrap piece of wood, I think, just to mix it all together. Then I got my Mod Podge glue. This one I also got from eBay. And I'm going to pour it in with the glitter that I already have in the mixing bowl. Once I poured it in, I stirred it and stirred it until it's properly mixed together. Once mixed, it should look something like this. You want to get your applicator, so I just got a sponge one and I put it directly onto the tiling on the wall. You need to make sure that the glitter itself actually stays on the tiling, and you want to make sure that the actual mixture we put on is a clean, even texture. I put 2 layers of this, so once you let the first layer dry, go ahead and put on your second layer. Now the drying time, it took 3 hours for the first layer to dry and another 3 hours for the second layer to dry, so you need to make sure that you allow that time for it to dry properly before going ahead putting in the second layer. As you can see, I'm using a roller. It just makes it easier to make sure that the layer you put on is even and flat, so when it dries it will dry cohesively, it will dry smoothly. So definitely use a roller for this project. So yeah, you can see me, I've already added the first layer and I'm currently putting on the second layer of Mod Podge and glue. And yeah, this time it's over the actual bathtub and I'm using the roller again. So you're just implementing the same technique as you just seen before. So this is what it looks like after putting the layers, and this is what it looks like after it's dry. So I decided I want to line around the edges of this with diamante strips. So I grabbed those. I think I got this from B&M, but you can get this anywhere to be honest. And I got all-purpose glue, and you can see I'm sticking it onto the actual strip and placing it all around the edges of it. And yeah, allow that to dry. Yeah, so I've done this around the bathtub, and I've also lined around the sink area too, because that's where I've done both of the glitter. So yeah. So yeah, I just done the last bit of it and I really liked how it came out, so that's why I'm dancing. So yeah, be sure to look out for what I'm gonna do next. So I realized when we were taking baths or showers, some of the Mod Podge actually went back to its liquid form. So what I needed to do was to make the whole tiling section that I've covered with the glitter waterproof. So I got the epoxy resin mixture that I got from eBay, and I mixed what the measurements were together. As far as the measuring goes, it's really important for you to read the description on the packaging and follow what it says. It might be different from what you might buy, but I generally got mine from eBay. Once you've done that, I got some more glitter. This one is from Hobbycraft, and I opened it, poured it in, and I just use, a wooden spoon or whatever you have lying around the house that you don't really care about. Just use that to mix the glue, not glue, the glitter and your resin epoxy mixture in. I also use some biodegradable glitter, that's optional, but you can add as much glitter as you wish until you're happy with it. Just make sure you mix it all together very well before applying it on the wall. So yeah, once you're happy with how your mixture is looking, I grabbed my roller thing and I dipped it in the mixture and started putting it onto the tiling. Now I put it directly onto the layers that we've already put on, so make sure you actually do that. But yeah, I used the rolling, I don't know the name of it, but I use the same technique as we used before to make sure that it's all smooth and it's all one even texture. And you only have to do one layer. I think one layer was enough because by the time it dried, it was enough to look good. So yeah, I did that over the bathtub area and I also did that over the sink area. Then I got some glitter and I actually blew it right onto the already wet surface so that it actually picks up more of the silver glitter pigment. So yeah, I did it all over, wherever I put it, so you can see it actually comes out really, really nice. I did the same over the sink area and the bathtub area, so I definitely recommend doing this. It really does come out really nice.